slices, and then
I just need to clear my head.
Hi guys! Good afternoon. Today we are going to make a Lechon Kawali Kare-Kare or crispy pork and peanut sauce. This type of dishes is very popular in the Philippines and it is made of thick and creamy peanut butter sauce. Now, traditionally, this type of dishes is made with oxtail, but unfortunately we are not going to make that with the oxtail, but instead we are going to use the pork belly. And it is composed of vegetables like string beans, an eggplant or an aubergine, or a pak choy or pichay or bok choy. I don't know what you call it guys, but you can use either of them, and then you can use as well the banana blossoms. So before that, let's proceed with the ingredients. We have here 4 slices of pork belly, whole peppercorn, 1 Knorr chicken cubes, 3 bay leaves, 1/2 onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Ang una po natin na gagawin ay magpakulo lang po tayo ng water para sa ating pork belly. So we need a 1 liter of water, and then we're gonna add the pork. And then our onions, the bay leaves, and of course our paminta. This is the whole peppercorn, and our bawang. Para medyo malasa naman po yung ating lechon kawali ay maglalagay lang tayo ng 1 piraso na chicken Knorr cubes. Tapos ay pakuluan lang po natin yung ating pork belly sa loob ng 30 to 45 minutes until the pork is really soft. The pork is cooked, so we can put them now in the plate and put it in the ref for an hour. Later on, we're gonna deep fry the pork belly. Mainit na po yung ating oil guys, so we're gonna put our boiled pork belly. Be safe when you're doing this. Guys, luto na po yung ating lechon kawali. So for the vegetables, we have here the bunch of pichay or bok choy, and then we have the string beans, and then we have the banana blossoms. We have here some slices of eggplant or an aubergine. I use 1 whole of the aubergine here. I have here a 1/2 cup of ground roasted peanut, 1/2 cup of smooth peanut butter, 1/2 cup of crunchy peanut butter. And yes, I use 2 types of peanut butter. First is the smooth peanut butter, and the other one is the crunchy peanut butter. I like to combine both of them so that it will come out a good result of kare-kare sauce or peanut sauce. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions. And also we're gonna need salt and pepper to taste. And of course we need 1 sachet of achuete powder or annatto powder, 1 cup of warm water, and then we're gonna mix the achuete powder. Mix it together until it is well combined. And 1/2 cup of bagoong gisado. And then kailangan natin ng 1 liter na water, but instead you can use the pork stock that you use to boil the pork. The next step that we are going to do guys is we're gonna blanch the vegetables. Well, you can choose to saute your own vegetables, but I prefer blanching so that I won't overcook the vegetables later. With the vegetable blanching, we're gonna need 500 ml of water. Make it boiled and then just add the vegetable one by one. So in here, the water is boiling na. So what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna put the string beans first. When you do the blanching guys, do not overcook them. I like to put my string beans for about 3 minutes. You will see when the vegetables is ready. Now the string beans is ready, guys. What we're going to do next is remove them from the boiling water. Make sure that it's not overcooked, because if it is overcooked, it's not gonna be blanching anymore. There you go. Next to be blanched is our aubergine or the eggplant. Look at that. The color of our aubergines turns into from purple to brown already, so we need to remove them before it gets too late. Next to be blanched, guys, is the banana blossom. But unfortunately, the banana blossom that I use here is the banana blossom in can. I purchased them from the Chinese grocery shop here in our town. But if you are in the Philippines, you can use the fresh banana blossom or puso ng saging. I think that's fine now. We don't want to overcook them because I think it's been processed already. The last one is our bok choy or pak choy or pichay. Call it whatever you want to call it, guys. A seconds is okay. I think that one is okay. We don't want to overcook that. There you go. Now, guys, ay lulutuin na natin yung ating kare-kare sauce. So first is we're gonna put a little bit of oil here. First is we're gonna saute the onions. Next is our garlic. Next to saute is the ground roasted peanuts. Then the smoked peanut butter and the crunchy peanut butter. Combine them together. And then I'm gonna add the annatto powder with water. And then add the 1 liter of pork stock. And now, to thicken the sauce, we need to add the ground rice flour. This is our kare-kare sauce or peanut sauce. Now is we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Do not put a lot of salt, okay? And then we're gonna need our ground black pepper. Same with the salt. Do not put a lot of it. Just a sprinkle of ground black pepper. That will do, guys. And then mix it again. I'm gonna add the string beans and then the banana blossom. Add your boiled or blanched talong or aubergine, and of course your one and only pak choy, bok choy, pichay. Name it, guys. My god, guys, malapit nang maluto yung ating kare-kare sauce. Ayan na. Guys, ito na po yung ating luto na kare-kare sauce or peanut sauce. Now, ay i-arrange lang po natin yung ating lechon kawali na ating chinap-chap kanina. So, just like that. And then, I'm gonna add the bagoong in the middle. So now, this is our lechon kawali kare-kare or crispy pork with peanut sauce. Guys, tips lang po sa pagluluto ng kare-kare. Ang ginamit ko po na water doon is yung galing mismo sa pinagpakuluan po ng ating pork belly. At kung matatandaan nyo po ay nilagyan ko po siya ng chicken nor cubes na isang piraso. Then tama na po yon. Tapos pag nagtimpla po kayo ng kare-kare ay siguraduhin nyo po na you add salt a little by little and then adjust it to the taste that you want. And then same na rin po sa black pepper. And I don't give really an exact measurement when it comes to salt and pepper kasi gusto ko po na kayo na po mismo ang mag-judge nun base po sa panlasa nyo kasi we have a different taste bud. Maybe sa inyo yung nilagay ko na salt is konti lang pero para sa akin ay okay na po yon kasi meron na pong nor cubes na nilagay ako doon sa ating pork stock. Guys, kain na po tayo kasi ako ay nagugutom na. Hali ka na din. Pala ko pa nagugutom ka na. Oo nga pala guys, bago ako mag-start na kumain ay babatiin po muna natin si Nanay Imat Nanas. My God, Nay, long time no see, but now see now. My God. Okay lang naman po yung araw namin, Nay. Busy lang, pero kakayanin. O, diba? So, ingat ka po dyan sa Pilipinas. So, singungo ayan doon. Hali ka na din.
Ito nga, may guest tayo ngayon, si Dora.
Edi wow.
Dora, sa back mo.
Pinilhan mo ba ako?
Matanong kita, Dora. Paano mo nakuha yung mga gamit sa likod?
Hindi ko alam. Tatanungin ko yung director.